Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your OPPO A6x. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna toggle Bluetooth off and on. This is a quick fix for everything. We're gonna go here, my Bluetooth is already turned off, so I'll turn it on. Now, turn it off and turn it on again. Now here, as you guys can see, we got the available devices coming in. Now, if we got our device paired already and it's not connecting, what you guys want to do is unpair and then repair. Every single device is different to unpair and then repair. So you need to go over and check how to pair your own device. And then after that, what you guys want to do is restart the phone and the Bluetooth device itself. So to restart the phone, you press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Keep on holding it until you see this menu pop up and swipe up to restart it. Now it's restarting, so now it's time for your Bluetooth device. I've got a great example here. I've got the AirPods Freeze Pros. You just tap a lot of times and it should change red. As you guys can see, now it's red and now it's restarting. Sorry, you're resetting. So as you guys can see, totally different for every single device out here, because some of them has buttons and some just don't. So you need to make sure that you're doing it the correct way. So we are after a restart finally, and as you guys can see, it lagged out a bit. It's normal. Here, what we're gonna do next is go over as a last resort and update our software to fix any connectivity bugs. We're gonna go to settings and scroll all the way down until you see system and update. Now choose software update right up top here, and it's checking for updates now. So soon we should see if we need to update our software or not. As you guys can see, our version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version and to get rid of any old glitches. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.